This recipe does not use eggs.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free and dairy-free chocolate loaf cake. And what you need is some gluten-free flour. And you can really use any type. I'm using the gluten-free all-purpose flour. And then some vegetable oil. And then some brown sugar. And then some white sugar. And then some dairy-free milk, and it also should be gluten-free too. And I'm using soy milk, and it's the silk stuff, and yeah, and it's vanilla flavored too. But you can really use any type of gluten and dairy-free milk you want. And then we need some cocoa powder, some baking powder, and some baking vanilla, and then some eggs. Alright, then we are going to measure all the solid ingredients, mix those together, and then we are going to mix in the liquids. Alright, then we need 1 3/4 cup of gluten-free flour. Wait, I can leave that there. And with measuring stuff out, you want it to be, you could like pour it out into the measuring cup and then like level it out. Make sure it's at the right measurement that way. Right, it should look like that. Sure, it's not really close enough, but well, it is, but it isn't. Alright, then oh yeah, and then like if the flour doesn't contain xanthan gum, then you could always add that there. And the way how you know that is by looking at the ingredients that are listed on the nutrition facts, which is usually like around this area, and then this says like that has xanthan gum in it. So I just don't really need to add that. And then we need 2 teaspoons of this baking powder. And then once again, we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we need a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder plus 3 tablespoons. Right, and it should look like that. Then we need to add the 3 tablespoons. It should look like that. 1, 2, and there's 3. And then we need 3/4 cup of this brown sugar. Alright, and it should look like that. And then we need to add 1 more tablespoon of the brown sugar. Yeah. Okay. And it should look like that. Alright, and then we need 3/4 a cup of the white sugar. And this should look like that. We're going to pour that in. Alright. And then we are going to mix all of those ingredients together. And with mixing stuff up, you want it to be as mixed up as good as you can get it. Once the dry ingredients are all mixed together, it should look something like this. Alright, and then we need to mix in the liquid ingredients. And then we need 1/2 cup of dairy-free milk and gluten-free milk too. And plus 2 tablespoons of the gluten dairy-free milk. And it should look like that. Then we are going to put that in. Then we need to add 2 more tablespoons of it. Alright, and then we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Alright, it should look like that. Oh wait, I made a mistake on my end. we don't need these eggs for a recipe. That's something because I was the one who made that mistake. And then we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, and then we need to mix that together. And once again, with mixing stuff together, you want it to be as mixed up as good as possible. And then we need to preheat this oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then we need some bread pans. And then we need to spray the bread pans with cooking spray. I'm going to start with just one for now. Alright, and then we are going to put some of the stone here. And then we are also going to spread it out evenly. Alright, and then once it's in there, it should look something like this. And then we are going to bake that in the oven for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, or until a fork comes out of it clean. What it should look like when it's all done.